At Findlay Vinyl here, we basically our main products that we do are making vinyl pool liners for pools and safety covers to go over them when you close them that are anchored into the ground. Those are our two big manufactured products. We're also starting to get into polymer pool walls as well to do like full in-ground pool kits. That's a newer product line.
We focus on our customers' needs, we listen to them, and we focus on what they want, and we basically go in and implement that in our processes and how we can improve our whole entire structure of the company. Basically, if we can do anything, and in this case, an ERP system can go in and help customers by order tracking, for instance, or statuses of orders. The process is very similar between SL to BC. However, we can go in as designers and actually set up our own parameters. I like the customization that we can do it if we need to instantly. That helps tremendously.
One of our biggest hopes as far as the customers go, into this move with BC is having an actual dedicated customer portal. And that's huge for our customers if they can have a place, at bare minimum where they can go on and log in and see everything that they have on order and see what stage of production it's in, or if it's on hold, what reason it is, or anything like that. So that's a big hope for us on this move. Where the technology comes in is with our design and CAD integration. We try to make it so that we can take the pool dimensions for whatever order it may be and get them so the design guys can just click a button and have the thing basically designed. That's where the technology can help us out. There were so many just manual processes. You're going out and you're counting everything by hand, and then you're writing it on a piece of paper, and then you're coming in. We're getting to the point where we've kind of reached our limit of the capabilities, and we want some more stuff. We need some more, dynamic inventory kind of things.
Material planning and forecasting is going to be much better because we can put it in specifically for each item and put in lead times, minimum order quantities, and the current system doesn't allow for that. I think the whole shipping process is going to be much simpler because it's a pretty arduous process right now to generate and get a liner out of here. There's 3 different screens. We have to go out and get freight rates, and we'll be able to do that all in Business Central.
I would say that the Microsoft system, knowing it, has definitely helped me. I'm a creature of habit, so it's quite easy to just go into something that you know and use that system. And for me, I think that it makes the process quicker because then you already know where you're clicking, unlike a new system where you are playing around with it and kind of figuring it out.
The biggest benefit is we don't have to worry about data loss because when the server would go down, we couldn't do anything. So the only real issue would be is if our internet goes down. And we're on a fiber system, so that should easily be up and running within minutes if we do have an issue. Velosio's been very good. The people are great, they're very helpful, the support is good, and the technology is definitely making a lot of the manual processes go away, which eliminates errors because anytime you do a manual process, there's always a risk of a problem arising out of that. I think it's the whole relationship with Velosio in general, because it's a good relationship. They're still going to be with us on this, and the people are great, and the support's good. So they recommend it. I think that's a good way to choose it.